Solana valued Jibba to $156.63 a coin. The present exchange cost range $155.20 $161 Jibba 1 cents. The earlier day close 155 disappointment Jibba cents. The change was Jibba 1, 13, Jabba 0, 73 Jibba. Converse rate, Jibba to Sol. Dollar to Jibba gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.61 Jibba coins. Exorbitant cost 0.61 Jibba, while lows and 0.493. They found the middle value of cost 0.56 Jibba. The US to Jibba gauge toward the month's end 0.526. Change for October 13.8%. US to disappointment Jibba for November 2024. Initially cost at Jibba 0.526 coins. Jibba cost 0.671, while lows at 0.526. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost disappointment 0.587. The Jibba to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.625. Change for November 18th. 8 Jibba. Dollar to Jibba figure for Papaya 2024. To start with, cost at Jibba 0.625 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.625, while low Jabba 0.503. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.573. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end Jibba 0.538. Change for December 13.9%. US to Jibba expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at Jibba 0.538 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.538, while low Jabba 0.433. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.493. The US to Sol estimate toward the Jibba end 0.463. Change for January 13.9%. Dollar to Solana Jibba for February 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.463 coins. Jibba cost 0.493, while low disappointment 0.429. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.461. The US to Sol gauge toward the Jibba end 0.459, change for February 0.9%. US to Jibba expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.459 Jibba. Exorbitant cost 0.459, while low Jabba 0.369. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.421. The US to Sol Jibba toward the month's end 0.395, change for spring 13.9%. Dollar to Jibba estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.395 Jibba. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.395, while lows in 0.318. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.362. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.341. Change for Jabba 13.7%. US to Sol Jibba for May 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.341 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.341, while low Jabba 0.275. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.313. The US to Jibba gauge toward the month's end 0.294. Change for May 13.8%. Dollar to Solana gauge for Jibba 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.294 disappointment. Ointment cost Jibba 0.294, while lows are 0.254. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.279. The Jibba to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.272. Change for June 7.5%. As to Jibba expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at Jibba 0.272 coins. Excessive cost 0.281, while low Jabba 0.244. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 0.265. The Jibba to Sol conjecture toward the month's end 0.261. Change for July 4.0%. Dollar to disappointment Jibba for August 2025. Before all else, cost at Jibba 0.261 coins. Jibba cost 0.261, while lows in 0.211. They found the middle value of cost 0.24 Jibba. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's end 0.225. Change for Jabba 13.8%. US to Jibba expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.225 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.237, while lows in 0.2 Jabba 6. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.222. The Jibba to Sol gauge toward the month's end 0.220. Change for September 2.2%. Dollar to Solana gauge for Jibba 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.22s in Jibba. Excessive cost 0.232, while lows in 0.2 Jabba 2. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 0.218. The Os to Sol figure toward the month's end ointment 0.216. Change for Jabba 1.8%. Os to Sol expectation for Jibba 2025. Initially cost at Jibba 0.216 coins. Excessive cost Jibba 0.216, while lows in 0.188. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibba 0.2 Freedom 5. The Os to Sol figure toward the ointment end Jibba 0.201. Change for November 6.9%. Dollar to Jibba estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.2 Jibba 1 coins. Jibba cost 0.223, while lows in 0.193. They found the middle value of cost 0.2 Jibba 6. The Os to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.2 Jibba 7. Change for December 3rd. Jibba percent. Os to Jibba expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at Jibba 0.207 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.243, while lows in 0.207. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.221. The Os to Sol gauge toward the month's ends at 0.226. Change for January Jabba. 2 Jibba. Dollar to Solana gauge for Jibba 2026. In the first place, cost at Jibba 0.226 coins. Jibba cost 0.226, while lows in 0.182. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.207. The Os to Jibba gauge toward the month's ends at 0.195. Change for February 13.7%. Os to Jibba expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.195 Jibba. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.249, while lows in 0.195. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.218. The Jibba to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.232. Change for spring 19.0%. Dollar to Solana Jibba for April 2026. First and Jibba cost at 0.232 coins. Excessive cost 0.297, while low Jabba 0.232. The Jibba at the midpoint of cost 0.259. The Os to Sol conjecture toward the month's end Jibba 0.276. Change for April 19th. Jibba. Os to Jibba expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 0.276 Jibba. Exorbitant cost 0.3 Jibba 4, while lows in 0.264. They found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.282. The Os to Sol estimate toward the month's end Jibba 0.282. Change for May 2nd. 2 Jibba. Dollar to Jibba estimate for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at Jibba 0.282 coins. Jibba costs 0.287, while lows in 0.250. The arrived at the Jibba of cost 0.272. The Os to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.267. Change for June 5.3 Jabba.